Hello children, welcome back to your English class. Today we are going to start with lesson number 5. The name of the lesson is A Job Horse and Cherry Barker. So children, chapter 5, A Job Horse and Cherry Barker. Now the next phase of Black Beauty's life begins in this new place where he was sold by his old master. One day my master sold me to a livery stable. Now he is sold to a new place, that is a livery stable. A livery stable is a place, a stable or a building where horses are kept and hired out to people. Livery stables are places where ladies and gentlemen can let horses and carriages. So now this is a place from where people they hire horses and carriages to go from one place to another. They are not always nice places, but they fed me well and cleaned me there. I think our master did his best for us. Now children, usually these places, livery stable, these are not that good, but Black Beauty, he was provided with a good food over there, and cleaning was also done, and in his master's opinion this was a best place for horses for Black Beauty. So his master sold Black Beauty here. He found it a suitable place for Black Beauty. I had many bad drivers at this place. Now at this place every day a person is going to hire horse or a carriage, so they keep on changing. Children, nowadays we are hiring taxis to go from one place to another. So everyday drivers they keep on changing, they are coming turn by turn. So same way at that place also, every day a new person is coming over there to hire a horse and a carriage. So this Black Beauty, he experienced bad drivers over there who were not good drivers, who used to ride horses very badly. But I was a job horse now. Now he was at a place where he was working as a job horse. Every day he has to go with a person from one place to another. And I was let out to all kinds of people, and he is also meeting with different kinds of people, getting different types of masters, you can say over there. Different kind of people every day, they keep on changing. My master took me to a horse fair where people buy and sell horses. Now one day his master he took Black Beauty to a horse fair where horses are bought and sold. Merchants they come over there to purchase horses, to buy horses. So my master took me to a horse fair where people buy and sell horses. Many people looked at me, but there was one man I thought I could be happy with. Now children, animals they also react to kindness. They also want to take love. They also want love and kindness. So at that fair many people they looked at Black Beauty with the intention to buy Black Beauty, but with whom he can be happy. There was only one person that Black Beauty found that he was a good person, or he found him quite loving. So from his gestures he found him quite good and animal lover. He was not an earl or a squire, but I knew quickly that he loved horses. Now children, Black Beauty, he was of the opinion that he was not this person with whom he wants to go. He was not a rich person, he was not from a very high social rank, or he was not a chief landowner. He was not so rich person, but His nature seems to be loving. His nature seems to be very loving. He was an animal loving person. So he had a gentle voice and cheerful grey eyes. So that person's voice was very gentle, very kind, and he was having grey eyes, cheerful grey eyes, bright grey eyes. Well, old boy, I think you are the one. Now who said this? This new master who is going to purchase Black Beauty. So he came near Black Beauty and said that, well, old boy, now I am going to purchase you. It means old boy refers to Black Beauty. So you are the one who will go with me. He paid my owner, and then we rode away together on a pretty country road to London. Now he paid the amount for me to my owner. So, and he purchased me, and then we went together on a pretty country road to London, a road leading to London, towards London, and we started walking over that road, following that road. It was night when we got to the city, and we turned into a very small street. Now when they were coming back, it was night at that time, and they entered the city and took a turn which leads to us into a very small street. And after they reached that particular house, that master's house, new master's house, a young woman came out of one of the houses with a little boy and girl. So when they reached there, family members, they came out, and in that family there was a young woman, a little boy, and a girl. They were very happy to see my new master. Now they were happy to see my master. Is he gentle, father? Now they were very excited. And they asked children, they expressed great excitement looking at me and that girl Dolly. The name of the girl was Dolly. So she asked her father that, is he gentle, father? Now they saw that the father has brought something. So Dolly asked that, really this horse is kind, father? Yes, Dolly, as gentle as a kitten. Come and pat him. Now the father replied that this horse is very gentle and kind, very, very kind, and it is as kind as kitten, and it's soft also. It's very soft. Come and touch this horse. So he asked Dolly to touch Black Beauty gently with a light touch. How good it felt when her little hand patted me on my neck. Now Black Beauty, he felt very good. He was so happy. He felt so good that that girl's little hand, they were touching Black Beauty. They were touching gently, softly, and she was touching Black Beauty on his neck. Jerry Barker, his wife Polly. Now this is a new character. Now you come to know the new name of the new master. Name of the new master is Jerry Barker, and his wife is Polly, and the children Harry and Dolly. The name of the boy is Harry and the girl is Dolly. They were gentle, happy people. So they were very good people. So they were good, kind, caring, and even the family was very happy family. They called me Jack. Now the new name was given to Black Beauty. They started calling him Jack, and cleaned me well. So they used to clean him. They cleaned Black Beauty well and patted me often. And they pat him, touch him daily. They used to go near to Black Beauty and clean him daily and pat also, touch with gentle touch and soft touch. Jerry was a cab driver. Now, what is the job of this person? He was a cab driver, taxi driver, and his other horse captain. Now, one more character is there, captain. This Jerry Barker is having one more horse. The name of the horse is Captain, and I stayed together. Now, Captain and this Jack. Now, the Black Beauty, he is named Jack. Now, they used to live together, and now they give the physical appearance of Captain. Captain was tall, old, and white. Now, look, what is the physical appearance of this horse? Captain was a very tall horse, and it seems old also, and the color of the horse was white. The day after Jerry brought me home, I pulled the cab and there was no check rein to hurt me. Yes, I was very happy. Now, he was satisfied over here at new place. Now, he never has to wear check rein for fashion. That was earlier, he was used to wear that check rein. That cruel mistress wants that her horses should wear check rein. Now, here, he never has to wear check rein for fashion, as it was very painful. Yes, I was very happy. Now, at this place, he was very happy. Now, it seems that he is happy at this new place.